Wipro, an Indian multinational corporation, has a diverse marketing strategy that focuses on several key elements to promote its products and services. Here are some aspects of Wipro's marketing strategy.
Brand positioning. Wipro positions itself as a leading global company that provides IT services, consulting, and business process outsourcing solutions. It emphasizes its expertise in digital transformation, technology innovation, and industry-specific solutions.
Target market segmentation. Wipro targets various industries, including banking and financial services, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and technology. By understanding the unique needs and challenges of each industry, Wipro develops specialized solutions to cater to their specific requirements.
Thought leadership and content marketing. Wipro invests in thought leadership initiatives to establish itself as a trusted advisor in the industry. It produces high-quality content, including white papers, research reports, case studies, and blog posts, to showcase its expertise and provide valuable insights to its target audience.
Digital marketing and online presence. Wipro leverages digital channels to reach its target audience effectively. It maintains an active online presence through its website, social media platforms, and digital advertising campaigns. It uses search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and social media marketing to generate leads and drive traffic to its website.
Strategic partnerships and alliances. Wipro collaborates with leading technology companies, such as Microsoft, IBM, and Oracle, to strengthen its product and service offerings. These partnerships help Wipro access new markets, expand its capabilities, and deliver comprehensive solutions to its clients.
Events and conferences. Wipro participates in industry events, conferences, and trade shows to showcase its solutions and engage with potential clients. It also organizes its own events, webinars, and workshops to create awareness about its offerings and foster relationships with existing and prospective customers.
Customer-centric approach. Wipro focuses on building long-term relationships with its clients by understanding their needs and providing personalized solutions. It emphasizes customer satisfaction and retention by delivering high-quality services and maintaining strong communication channels.
CSR and sustainability initiatives. Wipro actively engages in corporate social responsibility, CSR, initiatives and sustainability programs. It aligns its marketing efforts with its commitment to social and environmental causes, which helps enhance its brand image and attract socially conscious customers.
Overall, Wipro's marketing strategy revolves around showcasing its expertise, addressing industry-specific challenges, leveraging digital channels, fostering strategic partnerships, and prioritizing customer satisfaction. By combining these elements, Wipro aims to differentiate itself in a competitive market and drive growth in its target industries.